We're on the 6th of December 2010, and seems like it's the first snowstorm for the winter 210 to 11, 2K11. Let's say it this way. The first one, big snow. It's kind of cool. I like it. I'm used to it. I live in Montreal, Canada, and this is my car. What it looks like. My Cadillac with a nice tail. And my wife just built this, full of snow. But all the Christmas things there. Camera doesn't like the snow. And this is what my wife did today before it starts snowing. I think it's kind of cool. Looks great. This thing doesn't move. Should be turning. Kick it. Come on. Oh yeah. Now it works. I think it's kind of close. You did a great job. This one doesn't move either. Let's kick it. Seems that it works. Ouch. Fans. Just give it a kick. Here it goes. Yes, sir. See if it moves. Yeah. Oh, what's that? It's dead or what? Come on, wake up. It's Christmas. In 19 days. Come on, wake up. Oh boy. Oh yeah. There it goes. Ouch. That fan hurts. For the pigs. Ouch. And there's Santa Claus. Hi, Santa Claus. And he's coming out and going back in. That's kind of cool. See? It's like a chimney. This is the coolest one. Yeah. Hide yourself. So we'll kick it to this one too. Hey, come on. Now, show your face. Come out. My hands are frozen. Alright, come on. What's going on? You should be coming out. What? I guess you didn't like my kicks. Come on. Show yourself. No, I know you're not hiding. Come on. Yeah, I guess that's what I should expect. A snowstorm. And now my camera is freezing. So do I. I guess I'm gonna go inside. I'm out of here. Bye guys. I just wanted to show you how it looks like here in Montreal, Canada. So bye.